No, discussion methodology चेर how we should charge the GST tax methodology चेर discussion जाले आणि आमकां relief मेळो ना कित्याक what we had asked it should be charged on GGR, that is the international practice of computing tax and taking tax as is happening now. Pre-GST era also it was the same, but in their wisdom first it was 15% entertainment tax, some VAT was there, so it used to never go above 17% or 18%. Today it is 28%, but the industry did not dispute that at all. Dispute was the methodology. They said it should be on GGR, but in their wisdom they have decided it is on face value, which I feel will be detrimental to the industry. It would perhaps lead even to closure of the industry. And if casinos close in Goa, you can imagine what impact it will have on the economy. So perhaps they are waiting for that to be seen in reality, not believing our arguments, and that's the reason they said they will review it after 6 months.
So still it needs to be discussed, you feel, reviewing?
No, it is going to be the law. Today it is decided in finality.
Okay.
Even the amendments to be brought in Parliament have been decided and the Council has recorded it.
So 6 months you are saying, no review and...
That's what we demanded, and then the Honorable Chairperson of the GST Council said that it will be reviewed after 6 months.
Any other issues were discussed, or this is on
No, this
GST?
was the only single issue.
आप पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे, क्या डिस्कशन? और एक बहुत बड़ा इशू था कि जो गैम्बलिंग के ऊपर 20% का टैक्स के बारे में, क्या इसके बारे में कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ?
टैक्स के बारे में हम लोग ने कभी कॉन्टेस्ट किया ही नहीं, सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. जो 28% बिताया था हम लोग वो मान लिया था. आज भी उसके ऊपर चर्चा हुई ही नहीं. चर्चा एक ही बात पे हमेशा हो रहा था, जो मेथोडोलॉजी है, जो कैलकुलेट करता है कितना टैक्स कैसा भरना है, वो GGR पे होना चाहिए, ग्रॉस गेमिंग रेवेन्यू. लेकिन वो GST काउंसिल ने ये तय किया है कि ये फेस वैल्यू पे होना चाहिए. मतलब आखिर ऐसा होता है कि एवरी बेटिंग दैट यू डू उसके ऊपर टैक्स लगाया जाएगा. अगर ऐसा हो तो टैक्सेशन अमाउंट ज़्यादा हो जाता है. एक सिल्वर लाइनिंग है आज के डिसीजन में. वित्त मंत्री ने इतना कहा है कि 6 महीने के बाद इसके ऊपर रिव्यू होगा. अगर इट इज़ डिटरमिनेंट टू इंडस्ट्री, इट विल लीड टू क्लोजर ऑफ इंडस्ट्री, इट विल बी रिव्यूड. बस इतना ही हुआ है.
And when it will be implement, sir?
Implement, it will take some time to implement, at least 2 months according to me, because it is you have to bring some amendments in the law in Parliament, and then that has to be ratified by the state. So that itself will take about 2 months. Having said that, then implementation will take 1 month. So basically implementation itself will take about 3 months. States are only 2 states, Goa and Sikkim. Both opposed it vehemently. But other council members perhaps did not appreciate or understand how the casinos function, how the industry works. So they had a different view.
So there is also a debate there where some are asking why when 28% is charged, why somebody, minister or the government is discussing on this to bring it down?
No, we have not discussed to bring it down. That is the misconception. No person, not a single council member has asked that it should be brought down to 18%. That was never the issue. Issue was the methodology adopted, how to calculate the tax. The demand was from entire industry, even gaming industry, even online industry, even horse racing, that it should be charged on the gross gaming revenue.
Yeah, thanks.